Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, squeeze your shoulder blades together with your elbows wide. And on your exhale, draw your elbows forward, gently squeezing your elbows to or towards each other. Continue moving slow and controlled, wrapping this movement around your breath, creating more mobility and flexibility through your shoulders and upper back, while strengthening the muscles between your shoulder blades, helping to reverse slouching and improve your posture. Adding a cat-cow stretch, inhale, open your elbows wide, lifting through your heart. Exhale, draw your elbows forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. As you inhale, open your elbows wide, lifting through your heart, squeezing your shoulder blades together and down your back, creating more space through your chest and shoulders. And as you exhale, keep your hands lightly resting as you gently squeeze your elbows together, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, the space between your shoulder blades and spine. Release and return to center, moving into a spinal extension. Sitting tall, interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. When you're ready, extend your arms straight overhead with your biceps close to your ears. Keep your core engaged and your lower ribs down to help keep your lower back from arching. Breathe as you reach up and slightly back, moving from your upper back, feeling a gentle stretch across your upper back and chest, helping to improve your posture. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your right hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Use your left hand to clasp your right bicep. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and on your exhale, rotate your torso to the left. And without pulling or forcing, draw your right elbow across your body towards your left leg, gently rounding through your upper back, feeling a gentle stretch through your right shoulder, neck, and the space between your shoulder blades. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, place your left hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Use your right hand to clasp your left bicep. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and on your exhale, rotate your torso to the right, and gently draw your left elbow across your body towards your right leg, rounding through your upper back, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release, and let's go ahead and loosen with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, gradually increasing your range of motion. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle seated twist. Sitting tall, place your right hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Reach your left hand to your right leg. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, maintaining your hips facing forward, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, and spine. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your right hand to your left leg and place your left hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 200 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit Happy Yoga On Demand